Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing what kind of gifts you can buy for your friends as well as for yourself, and few protective gears for winters, and one special recipe which is extremely new in our channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now let's get started. Today I am going to prepare Kofta Biryani, which is really very tasty and yummy recipe. I am going to prepare koftas with chicken. So it is chicken kofta biryani. I have taken chicken thigh pieces. This is approximately half kg it must be, and I am going to mince it in my food processor. After mincing, I have added mint leaves and chopped onions. I have taken white onions for making koftas. You can take any onions of your choice. Now I will be adding rest of the ingredients. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and this is Zafrani Garam Masala. This recipe is already on my channel during Ramzan time. I prepared at home itself. Now I am adding chili powder. You can increase or decrease according to your spice level. Add salt to taste and 1 egg. Egg is the binding agent over here. I am not going to use any roasted chana dal or putana powder. One thing I forgot to add, that is ginger garlic paste. Very important. Do not forget it. And again I gave a good mix and our kofta masala is very much ready. Now next, immediately we will go and prepare our biryani masala. For that I have taken nice wide open pot. This is important. See why it is. I have taken oil and ghee together. To that I have added whole spices, shahi zeera, bay leaf, and followed by onions. Nicely give it a good saute until translucent. Then I will be adding ginger garlic paste. This is approximately 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Nicely fry it until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is completely gone. To that I am adding turmeric powder, chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, salt to taste. Today I don't have Shan biryani masala, otherwise that only is very good in this recipe. I am just adding chicken cube, that is Maggi chicken cube, the taste maker. Nicely give it a good mix, and now I am adding tomato puree. 3 tomatoes I took and made a puree and adding. Definitely add tomato puree instead of adding tomato pieces. Tomato pulp will give nice curry in this. I will be adding little water. I will show you in some time. See, I have added water and give it a good mix, and I will cover it and cook for 5 minutes. We need some kind of gravy for our koftas to float and get cooked. I am also adding some mint leaves. Now I will keep for 5 minutes on closed flames, low flames to get cooked. See, now oil has separated. The curry is very much ready. At this point, instantly I will prepare all the koftas. Take help of little bit of water by the side so that it doesn't stick to your hand, and start making koftas and place them this way. This way I will add all the koftas into this curry. Now you must know why I have taken the wide open pot. Even layering of biryani also will be nice if you have used this kind of pot, but today I am using a different pot. See, all the masala I will be making these kind of koftas and I will be adding in this. If the kofta masala is too much, don't worry, you can save it for using it along with either roti or naan also. This way gently you flip with the spoon, because these koftas are very soft and tender. If you just handle it very roughly, it will tend to break. So this way I will just flip it and close it and cook for 5 to 10 minutes again. I have also taken some boiled potatoes. I boiled it separately and kept. Now see, our kofta curry is very much ready. I will just use the same stove. This is a little heavy flame stove, so I will be using this side. I am just cooking the rice now, and koftas on the other side. Our rice is also 75% boiled, and I will layer it now along with that of kofta curry. You can see how I am doing the layering. 1 layer of rice, 1 layer of kofta curry which we prepared, and I will be adding the boiled potatoes, onion rings and some mint leaves in between. All these things together you can layer one by one. I give 2 to 3 layers. Likewise, if you have nice big open kadai, you can just layer it up in one single layer itself. Today I use this pot, otherwise usually I make it with my big large pot. See, this way you can layer it, and this is a very tasty biryani. Everybody in my house love this biryani. Sure, give it a try. Now last and final, I will give the last layer of the rice, and then I will be adding food color little bit for giving a good appearance of the biryani. And also I will be adding this Shahi Garam Masala and little bit of ghee and little bit of that curry from the kofta curry itself, and nicely give it a dum for 15 minutes, and for 30 minutes don't open it. Always after dum give a resting time for 30 minutes, then only your rice will never break. It is always a good tip for any biryani. Now I am giving a flip flap and I will leave it to rest again for 10-20 minutes. I made the biryani really very quick and let it for setting. Then only your rice will not break. All the rice grains are nice and separate and long. You can see this biryani is very tasty and very yummylicious biryani. There is a whole lot of koftas, aloo, onion rings and very tasty biryani. Definitely give it a try. After this lunch, I will take you for shopping. It's a very useful shopping where I went today. After coming to Canada, we faced a lot of difficulties related to the weather. We cannot travel outside with proper clothing. That was most important thing. We didn't knew what type of material will help you in this cold weather. That's how some of my friends suggested Just Cozy. This is Just Cozy shop. We have come here to buy few clothes, that is pants especially. Those pants will have nice lining inside which will give extra warmth and extra protection to your legs. Usually we think if we are in cold countries we need nice warm clothes and we will buy heavy jackets. But other than that, pants are the one important thing which we miss out. Then we came back to this Just Cozy where the pants have nice inner lining, and I am giving this review after using. We will not know at all that the weather is so bad. After using these pants only we understood the difference. Here you can see innumerable variety of pants with different types of designs, patterns. Of course we need only solid colors for wearing over the jackets, but to stay warm even at home you will need these type of pants and gearing up things, everything. You can see these mittens I am showing, right? These are for people who feel really very cold. Even at nights you can wear these in your legs and you will stay warm all night long. Here you will have even bathrobes as well as even mufflers and even shawls, everything with Just Cozy material which will keep you cozy all day long, all night long. Anytime in this cold weather you definitely need to visit this shop, that too especially when there is a sale. I bought these at the time when the sale was for $20 each, but during the Black Friday time and all, it was about $10, much more less price it was showing up. Just Cozy, it's an awesome shop. You can always try for all your cozy materials over here. You can see where it's all winter here and it's festive season all through winter. It's time for festival. Everywhere you can see sales and offers. That's how this is also one of my favorite shop, that is Bath and Body Works. Here only I bought all the gifts, and for some of my own needs also I bought lot of Bath and Body Works products and candles. I will show you in some time what I bought from Bath and Body Works. Usually in Bath and Body Works you will buy body lotions, you will buy body spray, that is freshness, and also candles, body butters, and even mist. These kind of things only will be, and shower gels, that also will be very nice. Like this you will get in sets, you can buy and make mix and match and gift your loved ones. In this winter everybody will need some kind of body moisturizing products, and this will be very useful and a wonderful gift to give. You can see, you can make a nice spa set, like you can also add up a candle of the same flavor, and this way you can prepare gifts for gifting your friends and families in winters. During these winters everybody will definitely do lot of parties to keep themselves happening, not sitting inside the house itself. So at this time we will need lot of gifts to give. This Bath and Body Works, this time I found something very interesting and nice. This is the body butter with lot of glitters in them. You can see even the fragrance was very nice. You can see my hand nice sparkling. Very little itself is giving extremely good effect on your hand. Definitely give it a try. This glow tone body butter was available only in this particular flavor. In others all the flavor was just only body butter, but no sparkles were there. These all are the collections of the candles. Very nice fragrances in these candles. You can also check out the same if you want. Likewise at the end I will show you in Bath and Body Works itself you will get even the gift packs and free packing material also. Do not miss out. Check out on the counter if there is any free packing material. And one thing important, all Bath and Body Works products, lotions, moisturizers are not for face, only for your body, hand, legs, all over your body, but not for face. For face you have to go to Body Shop. Hope you like the idea of gifting these kinds of products from Bath and Body Works with the candle. Definitely leave a comment. What do you feel? One last thing to say is, this is not a promotional video. This is my own personal choice and my own personal review. I am giving it on my channel so that all my friends can benefit from this idea as well. Just while speaking to your friends, you come across so many people who doesn't know about even Bath and Body Works products, which are really super awesome for this weather too. That's why I thought it will be better if I share it on my channel itself. Hope you all like the recipe as well. It is different in my channel. If you try this, definitely share your feedback as well. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.